Alright, now in this segment, we're going to be removing the lower shock mount bolt and the lower control arm, both bolts that hold the control arm. Then we're going to remove the lower control arm. Call it again, get that one. Ready? Watch your hips. Just hold it. Alright, now I'm going to be removing the lower control arm bolts. So before you do that, make sure you have someone holding the control arm. As soon as these two bolts are removed, the lower control arm is going to fall. Once those bolts are out, take the control arm and remove it. Now that's how you remove the lower control arm.